Habitica review. Does it help with productivity? Well, let's find out. So, Habitica is a productivity app that turns your daily tasks, goals, and habits into a role-playing game. Instead of just checking off to-do list, you earn experience points, level up your character, collect gear, and even battle monsters by staying consistent with your real-life habits. It's a unique mix of gamification and productivity that appeals to people who like RPG mechanics but also want to boost their daily efficiency. So its pros is it gamifies productivity. By completing tasks feels rewarding because it directly helps your character grow in the game. It is also having a customizable task list where you can set habits, have daily goals, and do to-do lists tailored to your needs. They also have community features where you can join parties and guilds for accountability, which makes staying on track easier. They even have a cross-platform availability, which means it works on web, iOS, and Android, so you can sync across devices. And it is also free with optional upgrades. However, there may be some cons. It can feel overwhelming for new users. It's also not for everyone if you're not into gaming. They also have limited offline functionality, and the premium feels cosmetic heavy. So overall, Habitica is best for people who love games and want a fun way to stay consistent with habits and tasks. It makes everyday productivity feel like an adventure, especially if you like and enjoy RPGs.